I've actually done 2 recipes today. I'm actually doing a vegetarian one to show you, but in addition to the vegetarian, I did one in my crock pot earlier, and that's with chicken. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just show you exactly what ingredients I have. So I have some enchilada sauce, I have chopped tomatoes, onion, garlic, salt, pepper, black beans, corn, and jalapeno. So I've got my oil heating up here, and I'm going to use cumin, black pepper, and oregano. All right, so to get going, this is the vegetarian. I've got veggie broth as well. So I'm going to get going with some onions. This soup is really delicious, and it's been so cold out. And what's great about this soup, you can freeze it. So if you do make a pot of it, right, I'm going to add the garlic. About 6 cloves of garlic. That's like 1 large onion I use. And I have jalapeno that I chopped earlier. All right, I took all the seeds out. And while this is doing, we're going to add our spices so we get the aroma. So as I mentioned, we've got ground cumin. I'm going to use a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. Okay. A 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano leaves. So salt. And finally, for our spices, like black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And you can actually smell it getting like lots of aroma in it. Now, as you know, I like to show you both ways. You know, I wanted to, if you do want to do this soup and you want to add some chicken on it, you can actually poach your chicken first, wait till it gets to 165 degrees, and then you'll shred it, and this will be the time to add it in. If you want to do stovetop. If you do want to do it in the crock pot, you're going to just put everything in there. Everything, like all the spices that I just put in, and all the ingredients, like the black beans. I had the chopped tomatoes. And it smells so good. Corn.
Oh, it looks so good, so hearty.
Yeah, right. Lots of good stuff in there. Now we're going to add
a one-pot meal.
Yeah, and the toppings can go on forever. All right, so we're going to add the enchilada sauce in here now. Okay, it's nice and hot. Add the enchilada sauce, and then our stock. All right, bring that to a boil. And that is your bean soup. I'm going to add a little bit of cilantro, which I have. And when this is cooked, you're going to simmer it for about 15-20 minutes. When it's cooked, you're going to squeeze a lime into it, and that kind of brings all the flavors together. But going to the chicken one that you saw that I did, I know a lot of people went crazy for slow cookers during the pandemic. I love mine. I swear by it, and I cook lots of meals and soups and things like that. So I wanted to show you how the chicken comes out. If you put it on slow cook for about 6 hours, now you're going to just see, you're going to get your chicken and it's just going to fall apart. It just falls apart. It's so easy. And this meal does go far. I mean, like JP said, it's a one-stop meal. So you see how, and then you're going to put it back in the soup. Chicken. Most of it's falling apart already on its own. So we're going to get a bowl. Even hot. So we're going to squeeze a lime. Squeeze the lime. Oops. Squeeze all over the place. We're going to add some fresh cilantro, coriander, if you want to call it. You're going to add a little bit of cheese, shredded cheese you can have. We have some little tortilla strips. Everything's in moderation, but rather than have great big taco shells, you can have a couple of these on the top. And then nice piece of avocado.
Oh, so
and
good.
That is your soup. Okay.
Oh, that looks amazing.
And like as I said before, it's very, very hearty. You know, you have lots of beans in there and all the good stuff. All right, so vegetarian, you do this, you can use the same toppings. Obviously, if you're vegetarian or vegan, you don't have to use your cheese, you can use your own cheese. However, you know, whatever you want to do, it's the same tasting soup, it's just without the meat. All right, water of the week, I actually did mangoes, chopped up mangoes with lime. So we have the water of the week for mangoes and lime.